I've been dreaming about these moments for years, and today it's finally here. My first ever camera, the DJI Pocket 3. Over the years, I've filmed everything you've seen on this channel with my phone. Every vlog, every memory, and even story. But I have always wanted a camera that can make everything look cinematic, that feels like me. And finally, we have DJI Pocket 3A. I knew this was more than just a gadget. It's a new beginning for me. Alright, enough talking. Let's see what we have inside this box. I've seen so many creators hype this up, but today it's my turn to test it out for real. DJ, play me, I am a winner. I'm the DJ here, and I'll be the one to play. I am a winner over poverty. I am a winner over sorrow. I am a winner over. No weapon fashioned against me shall prosper. I am a winner over poverty, over sorrow, over. No weapon fashioned against me shall prosper. So, a quick confession before we move on. I actually lost some of my clips. I noticed when I just started editing this video. I don't know how it happened. 1 minute they were there, next minute proof gone. I was so upset because this is such a special moment for me. You know, my first camera ever, and my dream finally coming true. But you know what? I told myself it's okay. The story still matters. The excitement is still real, and we keep going. So yeah, if you notice a few missing moments, just know it's all part of the journey. Alright, so please keep watching. Let's unbox, and I have something to tell you again. So this is the camera, and the name of the store that I got the camera from is called Gadget Saver. It's a good brand. So if you want to buy yours, you can reach out to them. And here is the package for memory card. Okay, here we have the manual memory card, and let me tell you, this memory card is not free. It doesn't come with the camera. I had to buy this memory card. I was told that this memory card is very fast and is compatible with this camera. So this memory card costs 80,000 naira. Wow, see the baby. Oh my god. Wow. Here is the what's this? I don't know the name right now, but at least I know how to use the camera. This is the stand, this is the tripod for the camera, and here is the mic. This camera came with just one mic, just one, so it means I will still have to buy extra mic later in the future. God will bless us, amen. And here is the charger. what do we have here? Okay, wow, I didn't know that it came with this thing. Something like protector just to cover the camera. I actually told them to open the camera in Lagos because I don't want shalaye. Test it, be sure that everything is perfect before you send it down to Ibadan. So it has been tested, no drama. Now let's on. Wow! Oh my god! I'm not recording yet. Let me record. Oh, true. You say no SD card, but I already know how to record. Like, hi guys. Oh, it's facing up. Okay. Wow, this is so cute. Hi guys, welcome back. Hi guys, take a look at this. He's even showing Tolu behind the camera. Hi guys, welcome back. This is the front camera, and if I don't want to use the front, I can just turn around. Oh my god, this is so cute. Where have I been all this while? Man, this is so nice. So I need to charge this camera first before I use. So I need to charge it now, and I need Dior to pray for power well. It must power well. I have prayed. I know God has answered, but I still need you all to pray for me. So now let's try and plug the camera. Okay. So I need, give me that what's it called? Let me see that now. What's this thing? There's this adapter. So this is the space for memory card. I think we should just fix the memory card now, or maybe when we are done charging. Let's charge first. We have to allow it to cool before we use. Wow, now charging is on 23%. So let's leave it, let's allow it to charge, and when the camera is full, I'll be right back here. Lest I forget, because it is very important that I include these parts in the whole story. You see this camera? You know when they say but we know that God will pay it. Can I hear you say amen? Just say amen. So I need you guys, please. I need you at this point. Please help me to watch my videos, because now I'm back. I will be putting out content, good content, not just ordinary content, relatable content, enjoyable content, educative content. Please help me to watch. If you are one of the viewers that you just enjoy hunting alone, at this point, please, I need you. Help me to watch and always share. Leave your comments. Like when you leave a comment under my, under my videos, it makes algorithm to, show it to other people. Please, any content that you see that I drop, I beg you, in the name of God, so that they will not come and start shouting on my head. Please help me to watch my contents. I beg you, and always share any video. Just make sure you leave a very good, wonderful comment. And when I read comments, it's motivates me, it ginger me, so please always leave your comments and also share. That sharing is important. Share on all your social media platforms, share on your WhatsApp status, and anywhere. Just share with friends and family. Share it, please. And if you are yet to subscribe, I beg, let me subscribe and also keep liking the video. All right, let's go and unbox. Please don't forget to help me to watch my content. Please, oh, lapo. Oh yeah, let's unbox.